Hey everyone, I thought I would do an update on my blueberry bushes. I've noticed that blueberry bushes don't have the same categories like strawberries, where they talk about when they fruit. So, strawberries, you have day neutrals, which fruit across multiple weeks or multiple seasons. And you have June bearing as another example that tends to fruit during the summertime. And on the contrary, for blueberries, you do have other classifications, but they're mostly about how the plant grows. Like there's high bushes that are a little bit taller. There's low bushes, and as some examples here. But I thought I would share it anyways because it is an interesting thing that each one of those categories could still have different breeds that fruit during a shorter window or a longer window. So here I have the bushel and berry jelly bean, as you can see here. And these are dormant right now. They do tend to fruit later in this later spring, maybe early summertime. And I do find that the berries are larger as a result of that. Now, on the contrary, I do have these two southern high bushes, as you can see here. And these are already showing flowers and actually even showing some fruit. And here is my other one here. Now, I did notice recently that there's not a lot of leaves on this bush, so I probably need to work on maybe transplanting to a bigger pot because these are in small 5-gallon pots. They looked bigger than I thought, so that's something that's on my to-do list to move into bigger pots. They are still producing quite a bit of fruit, which is what kind of throws me off a little bit, and they're still quite tasty. So a little surprised, but maybe they can be even bigger, or maybe there could be more fruit coming. Now I also want to show two new breeds that I have picked up recently, which are the pink lemonade that we have here, and also the honeyberry. This one's especially interesting due to the shape, and this is a blueberry and raspberry mix. So seeing the leaves on these definitely made me realize that I need to do some work on my other ones, but hopefully transplanting and or adding some more fertilizer will help, and I'll definitely do an update on those as well. So I hope this is useful, and I'll definitely have some more updates to show my progress. Thanks everyone.